In this video, we're going to be learning a cool effect that you might have seen in many websites, that is the mouse trail effect. Now, whenever in certain website, when you move your mouse, you'd see the images follow your mouse. And in this video, we're going to be creating something similar. It's a really cool effect. You can integrate it in your various sections. This is really easy to build. Might look a bit difficult, but it's really simple to build. So this is what we're going to be building. The source code is in the description, so you guys can download that and use it. So yeah, without a delay, let's get started and let's learn to build this cool effect. So here I am in my cursor. Now the effect might seem difficult to build, but it's actually really simple. So we don't have much here. We just have the CDN for the GSAP. We have some basic styling that removes the default margin on padding and sets the box sizing as border box. And then for the body, we just give it a width of 100%, a min height, and then we hide the overflow so we don't have any scrolling. And then we have this as the background. Now inside of the body, we're going to get started by adding all the images. So we're going to have a div with the class of img, or the image, and then inside of this we're going to have our actual image. Now I've just added the URL of the image from Pexels. You can use your local images as well, and then I'm going to be pasting in the other divs with the images as well. So once we have that, let's add some styling to these. So if I were to show you how they look now, as you can see, you can't see anything. The reason for that is because the images are too big, and then they basically take the entire screen, and as we cannot scroll, so we can't really see the images properly. So here we'd add some styling to the image. So the image would basically be positioned absolutely. We're going to have a width and a height, fixed width and height of 300 pixels and 400 pixels each. And then we just transform them, translated along their X and Y axis. We just negatively push them on the X and Y at 50%. And then we set the pointer events to none, since we don't want any click events on the image divs. And then we target the actual image inside of the image divs and then give it a width and height of 100%. Basically take the entire space that your parent has. And then we just give it an object fit of cover and then display as block. Now if I were to save this, you'd see that we have the image up top. Now the image still doesn't really follow our mouse. So to do that, we'd need the JavaScript, obviously. So down here, we're going to add the script tag. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is adding an event listener. So the event listener is going to be the mouse move, and this is going to be added to the entire document. Now, when we add the mouse move, it also gives us the event. Now, we're going to grab the event and then we'll just E basically. And then here, what we're going to be doing is here, we're going to add the GSAP. So we're going to have the GSAP.to, which is basically the final state of your animation. And then here we target the image class. Basically, we target all the different images that we have. And then what we do is for the X and Y position of these divs, we look at the event, we check for the mouse client X position and then the client Y position. And then we set that as the X and Y position of these divs. And then let's save, and if I were to show you, as you can see, when I move my cursor, you would see that we have this image block that basically follows us. But in the intro, you might have seen that basically all the different images basically come one after the another, which is basically the stagger effect. So here, all we have to do is add a stagger of 0.1. Let's save, and now you'd see that we have these different images coming one after the other. So that's basically it for this video. The source code is going to be down in the description, so hope you guys like it. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications bell on so that you get notified whenever I upload such cool videos. So yeah, that's it for this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace.